Ebusuafo, mimo bibia kwaba deba GCN page so. Mesrel, subscribe to my channel. Founsa mi abel ne so. Ubenya notification. Ene sa ne news e betum bia ubenya bia tie. Anase ubenya bia hwe ewo GCN page ha midin e de adwoa searching. Henry Nana Boache, aka Nana B, our National Youth Organizer, Dema NPP Amayoko no ena okase. Na eden sem ena Nana B eka, Nana B nin sema oke inane se. Eye Asen North MP, Honorable Quayson, ansisi Cape Coast Court amano order. So onfani tools in engu fame esan say on to me so as member of parliament because of enyama 1 or 2 bia court no etna se a ehwehwe mo hu say yam painting no onfani any position no ento nchen kakra na by election enkoso ewo Asen North na kopim say by election no ebekoso no enya de Asen North omo MP na ewo sensemi mu no a bra Cape Coast Court omode omo ensembe to dwa no Honorable Quayson trese on the nsema Cape Coast Court no onte cheze dabi onte kra onam no okeka se odaso ye MP obetumi akọ Parliament House onfa ni tools bi engu ho en na MP ni de odi pa na no enana bi trese Honorable Quayson one away ni drum no eye ne party executive members no na obobi ti se Ofosu Ampofo nidin Nana be a say Honorable Quayson se wunnim o party executives na show mu ye because omo ye nkrofo bia omo ye drum nemu masem du ho a ho na behu se omo pewasem ana so omo mpewasem court ama order se won ye MP essence wa beda da o man Ghana se wonye citizen e wo Canada we denounce se wonye citizen wo ho enti no ye citizen wo Ghana pe e na wa be stand as member of parliament e na wan wini e na asem na akọ court no mo hwehwe ma no mo hu se Osi wonye citizen wa Canada no enhye da nya no kware sa undi na unse oye citizen e wa Canada e wo mse wo Ghana na so far as wa kwakotena Canada abo obra wo ho ekura citizen card se oye citizen wa Canada ne de unti min stand as member of parliament e wa Ghana sana Ghana mbra no eka emfa ho se wo Ghana ho ye Ghana ni ba no sana mbra no eka enti Honorable Quayson na beda Ghana so oye citizen wa Ghana pe e wa bra enyampa or your dual citizen, Cheso Okra citizenship card to Canada and Ghana, and in Emrama who comes obey MP na Asami court ebu etiane say on funny position into work for now. No more the by election and cost so ever Asen North, not just a bibia fine. Then no and Honorable Quayson name no also on the don't take so on was standing as member of parliament e was Asen North aya campaign and man for atu amano ne man for wogidi woni mu so oba besesa Asen North no come on e dey na court ne kan until the announce ochina nemu e na omo friend na B e wo neat okay FM dwumedie so e na B di tu dwa na o kire se en some Honorable Quayson na mo okeka no ona kasa onim ne okeka onim ni okeka na chese number one for respect kra ama court no e na judge no tena asem ne so di asem no one for respect amomo because almost if awon yam egufem won ya MP bio because almost tena asem no mo hwehwe ma no won se mfata se obey MP no o si dan o da so ya MP chese asem a court na aka no nte na bi e chese omo ye ni dum no e ye Honorable Quayson no se all my speech bia ne party members ni bi e wo ni party members no omo edi na chi omo ye ni dum na bi e kire se wan kasa Honorable Quayson na me se okotena Canada no e me se wan hye den di politics echi e na wo di politics echi so wan hye den ni MDC executive members ndi wo de be ye wo no one day omo greediness nti no won fa ho wo be ye dum na mo asami ba na wo de wo kwa wo ko prisoner e ho na be hu se wo party executive members na say e na bi e de etudwa
and be on some court some sympathy be for opinion. Either than that, because we have fundamental issue nanga sapano, and this is for each and free home. Fundamental issue more opinion. Ibu as more boy in say, what of one crata as also ye MP. Crata wouldn't say what can come statutory declaration you busao. Grounds of appeal no opinion a bra. Ye baba to abandon and certificate of enunciation aye. They around the time of election. And na maka say, kwam no sen ka buso mo say. Opinion no sama all canon on the basis say, nye di kan. a bra who make his statutory declaration now pass all your gun and you know. Now when you're gun and but I don't mean to say they deliberately almost try to best keep it a fact, you know. Because a whole year buano, a whole year fidina a year buano. A whole marana actually any panacono. That is the fundamental issue here. That you have your statutory declaration and that you have lied on the statutory declaration. And this issue of citizenship and allegiance
almost say
citizen, you owe allegiance to that country.
Yeah, example be say met me aye me oh allegiance to say otumfo but na me nye asantini.
Yes, so Kwame, see they can allegiance that's also say no kwade citizen no kwampo even a higher level who owe allegiance to any country. Yes, I can understand so betimi swai obi na bia na wonye kuro no kwampo ni. But obey you couldn't need cardia. No says crampus access. So if you are a citizen, you owe allegiance to that. And in this case in Canada, no, obey swear an oath before the Queen. So at all material time there's a connection between allegiance and citizenship. So when you attain citizenship, it is a higher form of giving your allegiance. Because we are one more citizen of any country, even in Ghana, citizen we are over swear an oath. And then over swear oath of allegiance. So what are they talking about? So look, once he was a citizen of Canada, no allegiance to Canada, that is the fundamental issue. That is the fundamental issue. And they are just dancing around themselves.
Nanabi, say per the ruling of the
okay. Yang MPP a year opinion Quayson never cited for contempt. What they were court and who High Court now no last week as a MPB. Men who deal with self up as an MP. Now, what assembly, Quack who does the MP? As some High Court kind of now one now you're MP and you continue to be MP. What kind of disrespect and disregard for High Court?
And so any party for a coy?
But no opinion for some of Caron is he? Or not penny on one guy's own to because it's a BBC, now a Fumra, not a court. That's a man would you pay? It's Yamra, now who bet you on one who bet you know. I do the uncle no money, Yodium, sir. Now, High Court a custom. That is why I said that kind Article 99 amount. The High Court will put original jurisdiction to hear and determine any question whether a person has been validly elected as a member of parliament or a seat of a member has become vacant. I would as a dear question a year send off now or catch any man for on one who's why MP. Now nothing can change, you know. They are highly contemptuous and yet will take steps to cite him for contempt of court. The best animal. And now come here, beautiful. We any idea betcha Yensaka a year court of appeal. And said some young Shibishimuna the Anwasem at the Atuja. We are Ghana in Kwa now say Anne. We are Ghana in Kwa Kufubian for the home. And on we are no a year 5th to 9th October 2020. And now on car transport says a need the only Canada need you. Na Ghana ni pena we no. Sakrata na certificate of pronunciation on Sakan 26th of November 2020. That is the fundamental issue. The issue is that Ghana Marano say we didn't see an answer who make statutory declaration and answer ntambi na udi ho ntora itiamra na itiamra perjury. I just find the definition of perjury.
So what do you throw under oath?
Exactly. That is it. Then they keep running away from that fact. So the fundamental question is that Openino would throw